Hi guys, today we talk about ZTE Nubia Z60 Ultra 2024 versus Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus. The Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus will launch on October 2024. The price is not available. The ZTE Nubia Z60 Ultra 2024 launch on July 2024. The price is $799. The Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus height 6.44 inch, width 3.1 inch, thickness 8.3 mm. The ZTE Nubia height 6.46, width 3.01 inch, thickness 8.8 mm. The weight of ZTE Nubia Z60 Ultra 2024 246 and the Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus 227. The both mobiles come with front and back glass and aluminium frame, and it's come with dual SIM support. The Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus comes with LTP OLED 1 billion color screen type. The ZTE Nubia Z60 Ultra 2024 comes with AMOLED 1 billion color screen type. The screen size of Huawei is 6.82 inches. The ZTE Nubia 6.8 inch, and the resolution Huawei comes with 1.5K screen resolution, and the ZTE Nubia Z60 Ultra 2024 comes with 1116 by 2480 pixels, and the PPI dynasty Z60 Ultra 2024 come with 400 PPI dynasty. The Mate 70 Pro Plus come with 449. The refresh rate is same 120 Hz, and the screen to body ratio is same 89.1%. And the production Huawei come with Huawei Colon Glass 3, and the ZTE Nubia Z60 Ultra 2024 Gorilla Glass 5, and the Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus comes with 5000 nits peak of brightness. The ZTE Nubia Z60 Ultra comes with 1500 nits peak of brightness. The Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus comes with triple camera setup. The main sensor is 50 megapixel wide, 50 megapixel ultra wide, and 48 megapixel periscope telephoto with 5x optical zoom. And it's a dual LED flash panorama HDR, and it's record 4K 120 FPS video record. The ZTE Nubia Z60 Ultra 2024 comes with triple camera setup. The main sensor is 50 megapixel wide, 64 megapixel periscope telephoto, and 50 megapixel ultra wide. And it has ring LED dual LED flash panorama HDR, and it's record 8K 30 FPS video. The Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus comes with 13 megapixel with UF 3D biometric sensor selfie camera with panorama HDR and 4K 60 FPS video record. The ZTE Nubia Z60 Ultra comes with 12 megapixel selfie camera with under display and panorama HDR 1080p 30 FPS. The platform of Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus is Huawei comes with octa-core Titan Big 3.43 GHz CPU, and the Nubia Z60 Ultra comes with octa-core Cortex X4 3.4 GHz CPU. The Huawei comes with Kirin 10003 nm chipset, and the Nubia Z60 Ultra comes with Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipset. The Huawei comes with Melon 931 GHz GPU, and Nubia Z60 Ultra 2024 comes with Adreno 751 GHz CPU. Huawei comes with Harmony OS, and the ZTE Nubia Z60 Ultra 2024 comes with Android 14 operating system. The Z60 Ultra 2024 comes with 8 gigs, 12 gigs, 16 gigs, and 24 gigs of RAM, and the Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus comes with 16 gigs of RAM and the internal storage. Huawei comes with 512 gigs and 1 TB of internal storage. The ZTE Nubia Z60 Ultra comes with 256 gigs, 512 gigs, and 1 TB of internal storage. No SD card, no nano memory card support in the mobile. The battery backup, the Nubia Z60 Ultra comes with 6000 mAh battery, and the Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus comes with 5200 mAh battery. The Huawei support 100 watt fast charging, and the ZTE Nubia Z60 Ultra 2024 support 80 watt fast charging, and the Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus support 88 watt fast wireless charging. And the ZTE Nubia Z60 Ultra 2024 could not support wireless charging, and it's come with 5G network support. The common and the features: the Huawei has Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, NFC, Face ID unlocking Type-C, 3.2 Gen 2 fingerprint under display, UFS 4.1, IP68 water and dust resistant, and two-way satellite system. The same common and feature in ZTE Nubia Z60 Ultra 2024 without Face ID unlocking. The result of this device is the Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus got 24 points, and the Nubia Z60 Ultra got 17 points.